Today we're just going to walk through setting up the YMM Easy Search app in coordination with the Hobby Parts Finder from Retail Portal. This is a third-party app that is required in order to use the data services. So once you've purchased and installed it on your store, go to the Easy Search model, year, make, model app, and then you're going to go into the edit form options here. And we're going to go to adjust these values here. So we'll click the pencil icon on the first field here to start that. And we're going to set this to be a select. We're going to just change the title to be vehicle, select vehicle, save that. And we're going to change this to be brand. Save that. Vehicle, brand, and model. Model should be fine the way it's at. Double check. Yep. Okay, so we'll just save those. Okay, so after you've set your field settings the way you want them, go back to the Easy Search year, make, and model intro section here, and then you need to turn on the search widget, and if you're going to use product fitment, you're going to enable that. You enable whichever widget you're using. We're definitely going to use a search widget. In this case, we use the product fitment as well. So we'll enable those. Just double check settings. Now we're going to coordinate the layout. Typically, we recommend the horizontal. I think it works better, but your call depending on where you're using it as well. The other settings should be good as they are tied in. And then we're going to set up the, go ahead and save those settings. Make sure we save those. Yep. And we're going to set up the installation. So we're going to connect it to the theme. So let's go to our theme page here. And in this case, we're going to customize that. What I recommend doing is setting up a custom page for that. So we've set a custom template called Parts Finder. You can just create that template if you need to create template, and just call it Parts Finder if you want to follow along the way we're doing it here. In that Parts Finder template, you're going to add an app block. So we're going to choose our app here. I'm going to use the Easy Search. That'll pop right in there. You have to have that enabled. Just keep that in mind or else you won't see it. And then that's basically all you need to do. Save that, and then we're going to create the page itself to pull that in. So under pages, we'll just add a page. I'll just call this Hobby Parts Finder. And we're going to say the template is the Parts Finder template. Save that. And let's take a look at our page. It's loading in. There's no data yet in there. So the next part, integration with Retail Portal, will show you how to set that up. Let's also look at the fitment part of this next. So we're going to go over back to our theme. In this case, we're going to go to the product layout. And we want to add that fitment in up here on the right column in this situation here. So we'll just put it under the sample or the part name here. So we'll go to add a block, and the apps and the easy fitment widget is what we're looking for here. So we'll just drag that up here under the title. And that will put in the fitment function right here under your title so that customers can see that. Save that. And you're ready to go on to the next step of using the data.